What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Livepeer LPT, which has pumped up over 50% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $12.23. so we're going to be looking at why has the crypto pumped up so much, where is it heading to next, is it going to keep pumping, is it going to drop back down in value, and essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And as usual, going through its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well in 2024, how high and how low can this crypto go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of LPT, which is here in purple at $7.84. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at $12.30, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, due to the major difference between the two values here, the crypto may be overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip, but we'll get into that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite skeptical. We got the blue line clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Livepeer over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading around the $12 mark. However, I am expecting an overall minimal drop in value to around $10 by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Reason is it's pumped up quite a bit. It is slightly overvalued. So again, that does not mean it's going to start dropping in value right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher, above $13 to $14 over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to dip back down later on this afternoon, evening time, below the $10 mark is what I'm expecting. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but again, unfortunately, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking a little bit too steep. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and looking way too steep guys. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that is clearly not the case. So by the end of next week, I'm expecting Livepeer to have dropped back down to below $9 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, essentially back to where it was trading a couple of days ago, $8 to $9. Reason for that, exact same as the previous chart, it is slightly overvalued, so I'm expecting it to go for a price correction over the coming week or so. So again, do expect more red days from Livepeer over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, exactly like the previous chart, both the blue and the orange line are still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid-April 2024, I am expecting Livepeer to be trading around the $15 mark guys. Again, the way it will hit $15 is it's going to have to go for a little bit of a price correction over the coming week or two, dropping down to $6-7, and then slowly starting to gain value by late February, March, April time, heading to around $15 is what I'm expecting. Especially with the Bitcoin halving coming in April, this would have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will keep you guys updated on as I get more updates and data analysis. So make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, as the Bitcoin halving is a crucial moment for the crypto market, and it is most likely going to have a major impact on most cryptocurrencies as well. So yeah, at the moment, over the next couple of weeks and months, I'm expecting slow and steady increases in value from Livepeer. However, over the short term, I'm expecting it to go through a price correction as it is currently overvalued. Now, bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we have broken out into the green zone from the red zone, and we have not resisted a single bit at the resistance target here, meaning this pump is not sustainable. That is another reason why I'm expecting the crypto to be dropping back down to around $10, essentially back into the red zone over the coming hours and coming days as well. Because if it was a sustainable project, what it would have done is, when it hit the green zone, hit the resistance target, it would resist and then break out a couple of days later or even hours later. But at the moment, it's literally just broken out from the resistance target without any resistance, so it is not sustainable at the moment. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,200% in the last 24 hours, making it $260 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is the crypto is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, so it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of attraction from the crypto market. A lot more people are trading the crypto, more buyers and more sellers, so it is getting a lot of traction, and which in return is also helping the value of Livepeer pump up even higher. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Livepeer, guys. A lot of people have been asking me, can this crypto hit the $100 mark? Yes, it can, but I'm not expecting it to hit that target this year or even next year. Is a push as well. It's going to take at least a good 2 to 3 years for it to hit the $100 mark, as it is going to require a major increase. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting LPT to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.